was identified by a whistleblower who came to him.
Every once in a while. I'm a manufacturer of unmanned aircraft, military grade unmanned aircraft, as you can see systems here.
Cool.
Back in the 1980s, Ronald Reagan had dismantled the nuclear program.
Wow.
And there were physically
Substantial.
touched this warhead that was left over from Ukraine.
That's their drones flying at night. It makes sense too that they're flying all over the tri-state area. Now, what I'm very concerned about, I'm back, but my gut, my intuition, my speculation, based on all the circumstantial evidence that I've seen here, is that number 39 here shared this earlier today. One of my favorite follows on Axentry follow at Nick Sortor, S-O-R-T-O-R. Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Ohio shut down due to unauthorized drone activity in the area. This is key right here.
We want state and local authorities to also have the ability to counter drone activity under federal supervision. That is one important element that we have removed.
Okay, so I pounded on this well for days with a sledgehammer. I actually broke one sledgehammer and made my arm sore and everything. I got about 14 feet, and I would get a millimeter per every, gosh, I don't know, 20 minutes of pounding, and that's 20 minutes of straight pounding, and not including the break. So this machine works. You can see. As long as I'm keeping my couplings tightened, this should work to get this well in. Now, it's kind of late in the season, so I think right now I just kind of wanted to prove that this can push. I got about 14 feet of pipe in there. This can push 14 feet of pipe. So I'm kind of impressed. In the spring, I'm going to push down the rest. Hopefully I can get to about 25 feet. I do have water in there now. But it's nothing I can pump up. So I want to get to about 25 feet to see if I can get to water for this well to work. But as of right now, according to what I found out, this driver works. It pushes this pipe, 14 feet of it. Of course, I've got a well point on the end of that too, so it's probably more like 17 feet. But this pile driver works on a well pump. Now, it doesn't go right down like you see for some of the posts, which is kind of understandable, but it's a lot better than swinging that sledgehammer. So this product works. It started up within about the second pull, so really impressed with it. Some of the switches on it, I'm not as impressed. They're kind of plastic and look like they might break, but for now it's working.